just want to show you how I revamped my old
I
wigs.
need for it to
Actually,
be
this was
my
a hair that
basin.
I just beat in the last video. So now I'm going to proceed to just show you how I revamp. Now here I have a basin. Ignore the size of that basin. You know that type of basin because that's the only thing I could get in that size so that people could see the middle. Now I have a shampoo down here, an apple shampoo. You can use any kind of shampoo. I also have the conditioner, the Wiz Out conditioner, and this right here is a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I will just go ahead to show you how I do it. Now, first of all, what I do is brush the hair. Please be sure to use a white tooth comb and not a brush. I don't know why I was using brush in this video. Anyways, so I'm just going to brush down through it properly. This is a new closure I ventilated myself. As you can see, the net is still there. Yes, I ventilated it myself, and I just saw it. So now I'm going to be pouring the hot water, pour my shampoo, pour in some cold water to dilute. You don't want it to be too hot. You just want it to be warm, like a lukewarm, or maybe a little above lukewarm, but not hot. You also go back in and brush again. Use a white tooth comb. So I'm going to be washing this 2 times, and I'll proceed to condition. Now I am conditioning the same temperature of water. You add your conditioner. No big deal. Just dab down, and you make sure it soaks everywhere. Now I'm going to add in deep conditioner and steam this hair. I forgot to show you guys the deep conditioner. So I'm just going to rub it through the hair. Be sure it touches every part of that hair. I finger comb through it, apply some more. I'm using the same kind of leave-in conditioner, the same product, Kakiva. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add more of those. When I am done, I'm going to, okay, I'm adding more. And when I am done, I'm just going to put it in a plastic bag. If you have, you can use any plastic bag. You can use our regular nylon bag. Just put it in and you tie. Okay, if you have a ziploc, any sort of ziploc bag, the better. In this video I used a ziploc bag, so I'm just going to I'm adding some more. Like, guys, you want to make sure the conditioner you're adding is enough. Like, it touches almost every single strand on that hair. This is very important. It's going to work wonders for you. Okay, now, oh, finally I found my comb. So I'm just going to go right in and comb, 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 comb properly, like properly. I'm just going to do that. Now I'm folding it in, and I'm going to just throw it into the ziploc bag. Seal it, just like that, nice and smooth. I'll put it in a bucket. Okay, I needed something smaller so I don't have to pour the entire water I have in my kettle. So I'm going to go get a bucket that is not as wide as that basin, put it there, and then I add water. This time I'm not diluting it. This water actually boiled. So you just put it in there and be careful. You cover it up, and I leave it for 10 more minutes. 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes later. Now I'm just going to rinse that out. Rinse it out. Rinse it properly. And when you're done rinsing, I'm just going to let it dry. Yes. There is nothing serious about this. You just wash, condition, you deep condition, and you let it air dry before we move on to the next phase. Okay? Looking good. I'm just going to go ahead and brush, brush, brush using my hand dryer. I set the heat to medium heat. It's not really hot, it's just medium heat. You want it just hot enough to get the job done, but not to damage the hair. Keep that in mind while you do this. Also, you have to be sure that your hair is a type that accepts heat. Okay, you don't want to damage your hair. If it accepts heat, then you can go ahead to do this. Now I'm changing my comb. I'm just going to keep interchanging. I use the brush. Now I'm using a smaller tooth comb. This is to make sure I comb everything nice and smooth and smooth. So I am done with the blow dryer, and I'm going to go ahead with my stretcher. I've just started stretching, still on medium heat. You want it to be nice, yes, but you do not want to damage your hair. So I take little portions, I comb, and after I am done combing, I just take the stretcher and go right in, just like I am doing in the video. And when you're combing, be sure to comb from the roots. You comb from the tips, sorry, do not comb from the root. You comb from the tips and work your way up to the root of the hair. I'm also going to be trimming down the tips of this hair. You know, you don't want it looking so rough, so you just keep trimming and working your way to the top. Work your way to the top. Okay, it's quite easy, it's quite simple. And notice I did not add anything else to this hair aside the fact that I added a leave-in conditioner before I let it sun dry. That leave-in conditioner actually has a little bit of oil, so I don't want to add so much oil that will make the hair heavy. So I did not add anything else, just I washed, I co-washed, that is with the conditioner, I deep conditioned, and then I added the leave-in conditioner. That's all. When I started blow drying, I did not add anything whatsoever. So yeah, I'm almost done with the blow drying. With the stretching, I am almost done, and it's looking so good. Who would have known this is an old hair? Who would have known? So this is the final look. Easy peasy. So instead of throwing away that your old wig, you just revamp it. If you feel the net is old and you need to resew it, you just refer to my previous video. There I showed how to sew a wig from the scratch. You don't need the machine to do that. Yes. And when you're done, you follow the steps in the video and you revamp, and you have a new wig. You know, a new wig. Oh my god, I'm feeling this hair. Ooh. And to think I've had this wig, not even a wig, I just wigged this. To think I've had this hair since for so long, since forever. But I remember the last time I used it was in 2019, and I had it fixed on my hair, you know. And since then I've not used it. I just say let me, wig it and revamp it, and there you go. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see you again. Bye.